I'm going to close up now, so let's start to wrap up. Thanks for coming.
Can I finish this?
It's done. You said we're done.
Go to those last stations and that's it.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, one last station, no problem. See you, man. Have a nice day. Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Do you know what line you're on?
What?
What line are you on?
No, East Rockaway.
East Rockaway?
Yeah, that's the one you take, right?
No. Get ready to slow down.
There was a bunch of them.
Yeah, this is his last stop. Yeah, kick him out.
We don't do this all day. We do it from 11:30 to 12:30 and 3:30 to 4:30.
Say thank you.
Okay, nice.
Hey, you did a good job
Thanks
this
for
morning.
coming.
Okay.
Alright, come on.
Thank
You guys have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks.
Bye, guys.
Please. Come on, Fred. Close it over.
There you are.
Lindsay, turn it off.
Closing now?
Yep, we're closed now.
What's it?
Yep.
Okay, honest. Yeah, closing now. Yeah, closing.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Did you accidentally plug in the
Yeah, closing now.
the game before
No, but-
this morning?
Oh, present? It's you.
We know how to see an emergency brake.
Absolutely. It's closing
It's not
now.
really that one.
Absolutely.
She's a nice kid.
Yeah.
We have her a chance to years. See ya, have a nice day.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time, okay? You did a really good job today. And you did. It was really fun. I liked seeing all those roll signs that you had. It was nice. It was cool. I didn't know we had all those trains on those bullets. Yeah.
Can I make it to the next stop and then?
Sure.
Yeah, that's not a problem.
This is OpenBVE at the New York Transit Museum in Brooklyn. The R160J train crossing the Williamsburg Bridge, about to head into Essex Street. This is the New York Rail Fan, previously known as Manhattan Kid 10. It's been a while, but I'm back up and running on my channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot more train videos and New York related videos up on my channel. I am going to be soon doing a full tour video of the entire New York Transit Museum, so keep a lookout for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and look out for more train videos up on my channel.